Imagine a world where work feels organized, collaborative, and purposeful. That's the promise of Scrum, an agile framework designed to help teams deliver results efficiently while responding to change. Let's explore how Scrum works and what makes it so effective. Scrum revolves around three pillars: roles, events, and artifacts. Each element helps teams navigate complex projects by breaking them into manageable parts. Let's start with the Scrum roles. There are three key roles. First, the product owner. This person defines the vision and priorities, guiding the team toward valuable outcomes. They decide what gets built and when. Next, the Scrum Master. Think of them as a coach. They ensure the process is followed, remove obstacles, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Finally, the developers. This group actually builds the product. They collaborate, plan, and deliver, turning ideas into reality. Now, let's talk about Scrum events, the heartbeat of the framework. The sprint is at the center. It's a fixed period, usually 2 to 4 weeks, where the team works toward a goal. Inside each sprint, several events keep teams focused and synchronized. Sprint planning kicks things off. The team discusses what to achieve and how. Then, there's the daily Scrum. Every day, teams meet briefly to sync up, share progress, and address roadblocks. At the end of the sprint review allows stakeholders to see the product and give feedback. Finally, the sprint retrospective, where the team reflects, celebrates wins, and finds ways to improve for next time. Scrum also relies on key artifacts. The product backlog is a living list of everything that could be built. The sprint backlog is a slice of the backlog selected for the current sprint, clear, actionable items everybody commits to. And the increment, that's the working product, improved with every sprint. When these parts come together, Scrum becomes more than a process. It's a mindset. It encourages teams to collaborate, adapt, and deliver real value. Scrum isn't one size fits all, but its flexibility makes it powerful. By focusing on people, transparency, and iterative progress, teams gain clarity and control, even in uncertain conditions. If you're new to Scrum, embrace its principles. Use its structure to build trust, predictability, and momentum. Over time, Scrum will help you achieve outcomes that matter, faster and with less stress.